Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today shall be looking at Euro USD on daily time frame, and we shall be talking about momentum trading. The basic definition of momentum is basically the rate of change of a moving object. We shall be looking at how to buy high and sell higher, or sell low and buy lower. Let's add these indicators that we shall be using to our analysis. Our first indicator is relative strength index. Relative strength index. We shall be using 21 because there are approximately 21 trading days in a month. Our second indicator is EMA. Let's also modify these settings. Okay, we shall be using 21 period because it's also a Fibonacci number. Now, we want to look at the price where the market is constantly above EMA and the EMA is sloped upwards. The EMA should be sloping upwards and the price should be above the EMA, like here. The second condition that we shall be looking at is pullback followed by a doji candlestick. This is the pullback here, and this is the doji candlestick. This indicates that the buyers and sellers are struggling for power. It also indicates that the sellers are exhausted. The next candle should be huge green candle, indicating that the buyer have taken over the power. This one here, this huge green candle. To summarize, we want the price to be showing relative strength above 0.3 on 1 month basis. Here, this should be above 0.3. When all these conditions are met, we can confirm that we are still on an uptrend. We can enter the market. Thank you so much for watching.